NLP, that's Neuro-Linguistic Programming, is a systemic study of human communication. Now, when I say the word systemic, it's like a system that has various components that interact and create a functional whole. Similarly, NLP focuses on the idea of communication being a system. So right from its perception, the way we process information, language, the way we communicate it back to others, all of this is systemically studied in neuro-linguistic programming. So NLP is like learning to be an excellent communicator. Excellence not only in communicating with others, but also with your own self. So think about this. Your performance, your behaviors, and even your emotions are a result of your internal communication. It's like naturally, positive thinking will lead to positive emotions and behaviors. Now, communication therefore becomes an indispensable commodity. NLP, in regards to human communication, is the world's most effective model. Now, be it solving any problem in your life or taking your life to the next level. It's like personal development or people development. NLP has incredible state-of-the-art offerings on the topic of communication. Now, what's most fascinating thing about NLP is that it provides a working model. It's like a model that really works. So this NLP model is actually a multidisciplinary synthesis of knowledge which is applicable to communication. Knowledge that's derived from the fields of general semantics, cybernetics, cognitive and behavioral psychology, computer programming, linguistics, hypnosis, systems theory, and also quantum science. Knowledge, may I say, which is not easily learnable or even accessible to general public or professionals. NLP has simplified it to the level that anyone without particular background can gain understanding and access to this wealth of knowledge. Because it's all about communications, and all human beings indeed need a formal training. That's my core belief. To formally break down the definition of NLP now, it's Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Neuro refers to our nervous system that comprises of our mind, body, and especially our five senses. It is our five senses through which we take in information from the outside, we process that information, and experiences are then created. L stands for linguistics. It refers to language, now both verbal and non-verbal, now which we use as modes of communication. So that is whether we are communicating with ourselves or we are communicating with others. So language is the mode. Linguistics is also about how we use language and the way it influences our thinking, feelings, and behaviors. Lastly, programming is the result of how we have applied language in our nervous system that has created patterns of our thinking, behaviors, and responses. So you have a program for the way you get up from bed in the morning. You have a program for brushing your teeth, communicating with others, or program for producing failures or even success in your life. So firstly, to change any of your unconscious habitual programs of your thinking and behavior, you have to first be aware of them. Of course, that's by learning NLP. And through various tools, techniques, and abilities, you can change it all for good. So putting NLP all together, it's about learning the right approaches, abilities, tools, and techniques to produce success for personal and people development through excellence in communication.